Welcome, today I'm reviewing Realme Narzo 50i Prime, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first we should open the notification panel, and now just to add, remove, or just to change the position of some of these icons, we should click here on the edit. And now just here these icons we can add to our notification panel here. So to do that, you just should hold it for a while and drag it here to the subsection. By the same way, we can add here more icons, so we can add all of them if you want. And just to remove the icons, by the same way, hold for a while and drag it here to this down section, and if you want to change the position of the icons, hold it and drag it by this way. So as can you see, that's really simple. Then just to save the changes, go back, and now you can see the new look of our notification panel shortcuts. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.